Fun fact about Colombia that you might not have known: prostitution is legal. Prostitution is regulated, monitored, and prostitutes are protected at night when they're doing their work. And I was so shocked last night because I thought it was a big event, which there are lots of clubs. You can club hop and persons are advertising their clubs and what have you. But what I never expected was that event that I saw last night was a whole bunch of, you know, ladies of the night offering fun for gentlemen. And they were so gorgeously dressed. Yes, they were gorgeously dressed. However, one of the main concerns about prostitution being legal right now in Colombia, in Medellin, is the fact that a lot of underage girls are partaking in prostitution, and a lot of men, wealthy men from around the world, they come here. Yes, my darling, they come here to get the young girls. Young, you know, the young, fresh. So poverty is obviously a reason why prostitution is legal in the country. It's a mode of employment or a mode of earning here legally. And the main concern and negative of prostitution being legal, because it's not the fact that women are selling their bodies or rather offering money for a good time with them. It's not necessarily that. That's not the issue. The issue is children and men coming to this country, wealthy men, because I've seen so many men, especially since last night and tonight. I've seen lots of men, nice sounding British men, hello there, and businessmen, and they were there engrossed into the whole fiesta of the prostitution. Okay, I'm going to go back to my hotel now because I want to, you know, because I got that Colombian. Yeah, so yeah guys, I'm just enjoying my trip. I'm trying to be really grateful because Eek-A-Mouse made this happen for Ramona Samuels and Tarmac as well. Big up Reggae Fest is tomorrow, and I'm so excited.